Hi, you're in for a treat because I'm going to demonstrate in this video how simple it is to make money online. Are you curious about something? Prepare yourself because you could earn up to $2,500 every day. Since you don't need any technical knowledge or prior expertise to use this method, it's perfect for total beginners. So strap up, relax, and watch this amazing video to the end. Enter "beautiful flowers" into Google's search bar, then select photographs to get a page filled with images of lovely flowers. Scroll down the page until you find the ideal image for you, then set it aside for the moment because that will be your moneymaker for later. Teespring is an easy way to create and market products that appeal to your fans and aid in the revenue generation of your content. These three excellent benefits, no money, no fuss, and no risk, are being happily provided to all of the website's users right away. Remember that photo we saved a while ago? You're going to use it, turn it into a design for apparel, and submit it to Teespring. Teespring will handle the job for you by publishing the design on their marketplace and making it available for customers to purchase, making it official. Let's look at how it functions. Step 1. Instantly design and construct a personalized store. Step 2 is to link your social media accounts to share your products and advertise your launch. Third, you get the profit you deserve while they take care of the manufacturing, shipping, and customer service for you. Return to the home page and search for the pinkish red "Start Designing" button in the top right of the screen. If you click that, you will be taken to this website where you may begin setting up an account. The first thing I want you to do after successfully logging in is to click the red "Create a Product" button. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page where you can go through a variety of categories and choose whatever apparel you want to have your design printed on. In light of this, let's attempt to build a traditional long-sleeve t-shirt. We'll now begin the creative process by uploading the design we previously selected and adding the image of the lovely flowers we previously selected by clicking this button right here that says "Add an image." Your design can now be modified to suit your needs or vision once it has been printed on the shirt. After that, you can go ahead and specify your pricing because Teespring has already generated a reasonable suggested price. The traditional long-sleeve t-shirt is automatically priced at $40, so your commission is more than 50% of the $40. I'd like to conclude by offering you some more tips on how to boost your earnings and reach new heights. For this advice, visit Facebook, which I know you like, and look for flower-related groups. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button.